We need to change the way that we're doing urban development from the classic build roads, build gray infrastructure and concrete towards ways of working with nature and incorporating the water into the development and the revitalization of an area. We're creating a new part of the city that we're excited to share with generations of Torontonians and people from across the region. And we're doing it in a way that is different than what we see happening elsewhere. We're focusing on opportunities to work with nature rather than against it. So typically, gray infrastructure with concrete has involved paving over large, formerly green spaces and directing that water into channels, pipes, culverts. What that does is it concentrates those flows and it amplifies the effects of climate change rather than mitigating it or making spaces more resilient. Creating more natural spaces with native species and working to incorporate tree planting, such as through a mini forest, is a great way to mitigate the effects of climate change and create new habitat for creatures. In our case, where we're trying to work with nature, we're building naturalized spaces that can absorb those stormwater flows, as well as reducing the urban heat island effect, creating cooler places during the summer, and also enhancing habitat and biodiversity. I'm so excited that the next generation gets to experience our project and other cities like that have more green space, more places to play, and that are protected against the worst of the effects of climate change. I'm still concerned globally with climate change, but I think there's things that we can do locally, like what's happening here in Toronto, that can make a huge impact, both on a global scale and also within our communities.